This is everything you need to know to paint a deck. Hi, I'm Jack. Painting a deck can instantly transform its appearance, giving it a fresh and vibrant look. So let's get into it. So first off, you'll need to identify your surface, whether your deck is bare, stained or painted. If your deck is stained, you will not be able to paint over the top. You will have to bring it back to a bare surface through sanding. If your deck is bare, like this one, or painted, you will be able to paint straight over the top. Next, if you have any potted plants or furniture on your deck, you will need to remove them. Grab yourself an outdoor broom and we can start sweeping away any dirt or debris. If your deck isn't in a natural state and has been painted previously, you'll need to use a paint scraper like this one to remove any peeling paint or loose flakes. Then, with a belt sander, sand down any rough timber or splintered surfaces to make sure that your timber has a smooth finish when painting. If your deck has been left out to weather for a while, it may be helpful to use a high pressure cleaner to get out any of that embedded dirt. However, if you do, you will need to wait until your deck is completely dry before we move on to the next step. From here, mix a deck cleaner with water as per the manufacturer's instructions, and then scrub your deck with a brush to remove any dirt, mold or stains. Rinse the deck with a hose or pressure washer to remove any of the last cleaning residue that's there. If you do choose to use a pressure washer, just be careful because it can damage the timber if you hold it too close. When selecting a paint, make sure to choose one that's specifically designed for exterior use. This will ensure protection against various weather conditions. So after you make your selection, be sure to stir your paint thoroughly beforehand to ensure a uniform colour. Pour the paint into a paint tray and using a paintbrush, carefully apply the paint to the edges, corners and hard to reach areas of the deck. Using a paint roller, apply the paint evenly to the surface, working in small sections and slightly overlapping your strokes to ensure a smooth finish. And there you have it, the steps to paint your deck. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.